you, Mudassar Mechanic YouTube channel. Today we will change the diesel filter. Please stay with us. Watch the full video. In this, we will remove the old filter and put a new filter. After that, we will pour clean diesel from here. Starting will be easy. The vacuum also fills up, but often the small glass at the bottom of the vacuum comes off and breaks. Inshallah, we will see you in the next video. Be happy. If anyone likes our video, then please express your opinion in the comments. Thank you.